Welcome this video. Video title is Embracing Urban Chic, the art of left style house interior design. Introducing in the ever evolving RAM to interior design, left style live have image us are symbolic of contemporary urban sophistications original from repurposed industrial space left apartment have transcended those utilitarian about become iconic symbolic of modern living. This unique design style blends industrial elements with a touch of luxury, create a harmonious fusion that appear to solve sleep in decision and demo have entertainment. We will deploy into the key elements that define left style house interior design and explain how to inflow your living space with the and Arab jam. Open flow plan. One of the different functions to lifestyle home is those open full plan going are the tranquility brief to warm and button. Instead, those space embracing a scene of period, those a person of confined valve allow natural lights to promoting even create a exercise and welcome atmosphere. The open flow plan also promoting a seamless benefit different functional area joint scene of contrast industrial aesthetic convenient to left style interior design is the incorporating of industrial aesthetic explode valve stream brain and connect full survey as the industrial elements that pay homogene to the space industrial page those that and under function not only add chaptering but also create and convey for the integration and contemporary design elements industrial size light fix saved material functional and decision level upgrowing are key component that the overlooked yard define impression of a left style house. Multifunctional furniture give the limited space in left employed multifunctional furniture become a neat, clean design price that survey multi-purpose such as story that convey soft and modern shape help keep the functionality of the living space without compromising on style. The adverting able in Thus, for those who appear the demo natural to our living and space, versatile solved a candidate